In today's video, I'll be showing you the highest paying platforms that will allow you to shorten links. This is a great way to make some extra income online, and I'll be showing you what I think are the 4 best URL shortener websites. These are the platforms that will pay you the most money per click. So let's get started. So the first website I'd like to show you is called publisher.linkvertise.com. And make sure you don't go to linkvertise.com because that's a different website. Here you can share links and earn money on every visitor who clicks on your link. So if this concept is totally new to you, this basically works where you will want to send traffic to a link and you are thereby giving access to that traffic to different companies. There are tons of companies who would like their ads to be seen, so whenever someone clicks on the link, you will make sure that the ad will show up because you will be using a URL link shortener. So every time someone clicks on your link, you will get paid. So I'll show you an example, but before I do, I will first show you how to sign up for an account. First, just click up here where it says register, then just fill in some basic personal information. After you've done that, you should be logged into your brand new account. So as an example, if I wanted to send traffic to a YouTube video of mine, I would just click the button that says create link, then go to one of my YouTube videos, copy the video URL, then paste it right here in this box that says set your target URL, then click this arrow button here. Then on this page, you would just fill in the required information here like the short link title, the link description, frequently asked questions, a picture and video, then click next. So I'll just do that really quick, then click next. After that, you will want to select your ad steps, which are the different types of ads you want connected with your link. I suggest you select all, then click the next button. And now you have your link here, which you will want to then share with people to get them to click on it so you can get paid per click. This is a great URL shortener website, and if we scroll down a bit on the homepage, you can see that it says they have the highest payout rates. And if you look here, it says that you can earn up to $70 per 1,000 views. And then right here, it says that they have daily payments. For a minimum of $10, you can sign up to receive daily payments via bank transfer, PaySafeCard, or Amazon coupon. Now the next website we have on our list is shrinkme.io. And right here it states that you can earn up to $220 per 10,000 views. So that's $22 per 1,000 views. That's a $22 CPM, which is really good. This essentially works once again where you will create a link, and then when people click on it, you will get paid. To log in, just click register up here, then fill in some basic personal information like a username, email, password confirmation, check that you're not a robot, then check here that you agree to the terms of use and privacy policy. After that, just click register, then you will be able to sign into your new account. This is what your main dashboard will look like. And when you sign up, you will receive a $1 sign up bonus here. So to begin, you will want to click here where it says new shorten link, paste your link here. So for the same example, I'll just paste my YouTube video URL here, then click shorten. This right here is the link that will be provided to you in which you will start promoting. Anytime someone clicks this link, whether it's on your website, social media bio, YouTube video description, your blog, online forum, etc., they will then be redirected to this page where they will need to capture this, then click this button here. That will redirect them to this ad, but I have an ad blocker on so I can't see anything here. And there is a countdown timer here as you can see, so once that goes to 0, I can then get my link and open it to go to the URL that I intended on viewing. So I'll click get link, then have this ad pop up in front of me, then I can close it, and now I will be redirected to the URL I want to view. In this case, it's one of my YouTube videos. So shrinkme.io pays pretty decent money. If we go to the homepage and click payout rates, you can see that they will pay you $1 as a sign-up bonus, and the minimum payout is $5. They will pay you through either Bitcoin, USDT, PayPal, Payeer, WebMoneyZ, AirTM, Perfect Money, Paytm, and bank transfer. So you can see that they have a ton of options in which you can get paid. And then if we scroll down a bit further, you can see depending on which country clicks on your links, you will get paid this much. So for example, if traffic from Greenland clicks on your link, and you get 1,000 views, you will receive $22. But in all honesty, it's very unlikely you'll actually get many clicks from Greenland, as the population of Greenland is really low. But as you go down, you will see countries that you can definitely get many clicks from, like Ireland, you'll get $16, the US you'll get $8, Belgium $7.50, the UK $7, and more. But these countries here, the US, the UK, Canada, and Australia are the ones you really want to focus on. They are the countries that you will get the most traffic and have pretty good payout rates as well. And if you'd like to check out the rest of the countries as well, you can. And at the bottom you can see the worldwide deal, which is $3.50 per 1,000 views, which is not bad at all. So this website is definitely one of the highest paying platforms for shortening URLs to earn money. The next platform we have is AdFly. This is definitely one of the most popular URL shortening websites out there. Their payout rates are pretty good as well. They do pay a tad less than the other websites, but that is probably due to them being the most popular one. Most people are joining this platform, which will then allow AdFly to pay a bit less because they have so much usage. So these are the payout rates for AdFly. So there are two different categories of rates. You have the desktop CPM and the mobile CPM. Right here it says that the unique CPM is the average amount paid for 1,000 visitors in the 24-hour period. Then the raw CPM is for the average amount paid on the first advert view for 1,000 link views in the 24-hour period. So the difference between these is if one person clicks on different links once, or if they click on the same link multiple times. So you can see the highest paying countries at the top here, which are the US, Canada, the UK, and Australia, and these are the same countries as the first two websites I showed you. And you can see that the US has by far the highest with about $11 and $4. And again, you want to focus most of your energy on these top countries here because you won't get that many clicks from all of these countries and their payout rates aren't nearly as good. So I definitely do recommend that you join AdFly. It's definitely one of the best ones out there and probably the most popular. And now finally, we have ShrinkEarn. This is also a very popular platform that pays you quite well. If I click here on publisher rates, you will see a similar layout to shrinkme.io with similar payouts as well. Both websites might even be owned by the same company. So at the top here, you can see that they also listed countries that will pay you super well. But these countries don't have very many people to click on your links and get you paid. So again, you should definitely focus mainly on the US, Canada, the UK, and Australia. They all have pretty good payout rates and a ton of traffic. So each of these websites will definitely earn you decent money with this strategy. But if you are someone who's looking to actually build an online business and have a passive income stream for life, click the link in the video description below for my favorite way to make money online. There's a free video training included as well. So if you're interested, be sure to check that out. So that pretty much covers the highest paying URL shorteners. If you'd like to watch another video on how to make money online, click this video right here.